Hi beautiful people, this is the hairstyle you guys will be seeing. Please keep watching, do not skip. I'm so sorry guys, I've not been uploading. I'm so busy in the store, so guys bear with me guys. So first thing, you need to achieve the hairstyle on a clean hair, and the hairstyle is a Fulani classic Didi. So guys, keep watching. Can you see the first one? I braided tiny one aside, then both side I have tiny weaving, while the middle one is Didi, the big Didi. Then I attach the tiny one, as in the weaving part. As I'm trying to braid the Didi, I attach it together and mat it together. Can you see guys? So after that, I go ahead and braid one tiny one at the middle, just straight one. Can you see guys? So seeing it like this, you guys will understand what I'm actually doing here. Can you see guys? So after braiding the tiny one both side, then you just braid tiny one, long one. This particular hairstyle is chuku, like is a kind of chuku that my clients want to fix a bun. Yes, on it you can fix any type of bun, either long one or afro one, anyone you like to attach to it. Hello my beautiful people, hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning in to the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, I'm so sorry I've not been able to upload. I'm so busy in my store, so guys bear with me, but I'm fully back now. I'll be giving you guys the tutorial back to back. So that's how I keep going. Can you see guys? Just pay attention, watch carefully, and because I don't really know how to explain this particular hairstyle, is a Fulani hairstyle, and I'm just trying to be creative. Yes, this particular hairstyle, if you guys watch it very well, you know that is something I'm trying to create on my own. So I'm sharing it with you guys so that you can also learn, and you enjoy watching it. Just keep watching. It's a short video and I want you guys to learn something different from it. So if you really like this video, and if this tutorial is helpful to you guys, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, I love seeing you guys comment. Like, I love comments. So and I keep saying it, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. So guys, can you see? So this one at the front, I have 3 big Didi, while the remaining one, as in the first part, 3 Didi. The other parts, I section it into 4 parts. So guys, I'm done with the first part, so I would like you guys to watch this particular one, then you can get what I'm trying to explain since. Can you see? So the first one is the tiny one. So as you are parting it, you're not parting it to the down, you just like halfway. Can you see what I'm doing? So you braid the tiny one. After braiding it, you cut the Didi, the one at the middle. You cut it big, then you repeat the same tiny one at the other side while you try to braid it together with the Didi, like you mat it together. So guys, I'll braid the remaining one off the camera and I'll let you guys see the outcome. So guys, this is the big one I'm trying to section, the Didi part. So after you section the Didi part, you bring out the tiny one again. So it's going to be like a curve while the Didi is inside. Can you see guys? So just try to part it neat when you are trying to do this. And this is the tiny one I'm doing. This is the second tiny one, as you can see. So after braiding it, you first of all do the the tiny one. After that, you do the Didi. So guys, I'm done with this lovely hairstyle. This is the bun I'll be attaching to it, and this is what will make it classic. Can you see, guys? See, it's just something you can attach yourself. If you have the longer one, you attach to it. And can you see, guys? What do you guys think about this tutorial? Let me know in the comment section. We are done with this lovely tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. This is the final look of the hairstyle. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you here. Can you see? My clients love the hair, like seriously. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.